Good morning students. Now let's see intergenic interactions. The interactions between the alleles of different genes at different loci is said to be intergenic or non-allelic gene interaction. It includes various types of interactions. They are dominant epistasis, recessive epistasis, duplicative gene interaction, complementary gene interaction, supplementary gene interaction, inhibitor gene interaction and duplicative interaction. Now first we shall see about dominant epistasis. In dominant epistasis, an allelic pair of a gene present at one locus masks the phenotypic effect of another allelic pair of a gene present at another locus. Here, the gene that masks the phenotype is called epistatic gene. The gene is masked from expressing phenotype is called hypostatic gene. Now we shall see the example for dominant epistasis. Example, fruit color of summer squash. Summer squash, that is pumpkin. Its botanical name Cucurbita peppo. In the summer squash, the fruit color locus has a dominant allele capital W for white color and a recessive allele small w for colored fruit. Capital W allele is dominant that masks the expression of any color. In another locus, hypostatic allele capital G is for yellow fruit and its recessive allele small g for green fruit. In the first locus, the white is dominant to color, whereas in the second locus, yellow is dominant to green. When the white fruit with genotype capital W, small g is crossed with yellow fruit with genotype small w, capital G, the F1 plants have white fruit and are heterozygous capital W, capital G, small g. When F1 heterozygous plants are crossed, they give rise to F2 with a phenotypic ratio of 12:3:1. That is 12 white, 3 yellow and 1 green. Since capital W is epistatic to the alleles capital G and small g, the white which is dominant masks the effect of yellow or green. Homozygous recessive small w genotypes only can give the colored fruit. Double recessive, that is small w, small g will give green fruit. The plants have only capital G in its genotype will give the yellow fruit. For example, small w, capital G, small g, or small w, capital G. It gives yellow fruit. Some other types of intergenic interactions given here. Recessive epistasis. Example, flower color of Antirrhinum species. Its ratio is 9:3:4. Third one is duplicative genes with cumulative effect. Example, fruit shape in summer squash 9:6:1. Here 9 disc shaped fruit, 6 round shaped fruit and only 1 long shaped fruit. Then fourth one is complementary genes. Example, flower color of sweet pea. Its ratio 9:7. That is 9 purple flower and 7 white flower. Fifth one, supplementary genes. Example, grain color in maize. Its ratio 9:3:4. Here 9 purple grain, 3 red grain and white grain. Sixth one is inhibitor genes. Example, leaf color in rice plant. Its ratio 13:3. Here 13 plants with green leaf and 3 plants with purple leaf. Last one, duplicative genes. Example, seed capsule shape in Bursa pastoris. It is commonly called shepherd purse. Its ratio is 15:1. Here we can obtain 15 triangular shaped seed and 1 top shaped seed. These are the different types of epistatic interactions and its example with its ratio.